Hi, it's Mike Banky, Global Streams. The purpose of this recording is to show how to dress up a Zoom call using Panamation and some free tools from NewTek. So I'm going to first start out by minimizing my Zoom call window here and showing you guys the Panamation interface. What you're seeing here is a series of layers with different images on them, and I'll just click through them quickly. You can see my lower third there, some different graphics that I've built right here in Panamation. Um, the stills that you see here are all editable. Any of these graphics can be updated in real time, sizing, position, rotation, you name it. So just an opportunity to go through and add some graphic elements to your production using Zoom. Also, we can control video clips that are brought into Zoom really easily. So, for example, I'm just going to choose my VLC player as a source. It's another free application. And you can see here that it's a beautiful Ford GT. I'm just going to hit the play button right here in Panamation, and you can see Joey Tribbiani driving a Ford GT. So pretty cool. We'll go ahead and pause that and go back to my desktop video source, which is just a webcam coming into this computer, and go into Zoom. So this is just sort of a quick demo of how to play around with Panamation. You can just drag and drop stuff right in there and build it as you go, or of course you could do that ahead of time. And each layer has its own independent images, so you can see as I cycle through them again what you've got. And all those things can be tied to a keyboard shortcut if you like, or you can use your mouse to do it. So anyway, that's just a quick demo of how to dress up a Zoom call using Panamation and NewTek's NDI. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the website globalstreams.com or panamndi.com and learn all about it. So thanks for checking it out.